dominant. They can call it what? Dominancy, dominant gene, or dominant character. It's the same. Or dominant traits. So dominant is dominant. Maybe dominancy, or dominant gene, or dominant character. But here, let me use what? Dominant what? Dominant gene. Dominant gene is a what? Is a gene that is expressed itself in heterozygote condition. So when two alleles come together, when two alleles of a different what gene come together, and the allele that is expressed itself over the other one is called dominant gene. It's called dominant. Or dominant gene is a gene that is expressed itself in heterozygote what? Heterozygote state. And also express themselves in homozygote state. And the dominant gene can always be denoted by this capital letter T, small letter t. I said is a gene that expresses itself in heterozygote what? Condition. This is heterozygote. So, and dominant gene can also express himself in homozygous. If a person is homozygote, this person is what? Will be tall, both in and outside. But if a person is what? Is heterozygote what? Tall. The person will what? And the thing here is what? Is dominant. The person will tall outside, but inside his body is still have what? A short gene. So dominant gene is a what? Is a gene that is what? Express itself in heterozygote condition and it also in homozygote condition. That is what dominant gene. Let me explain the recessive gene. Recessive. Recessive what? Gene. So recessive gene is a gene that is what? Failed to express itself in heterozygote stage. Please, it's very essential. In hetero what? Heterozygote stage. Any gene that is failed to what? To express itself in heterozygote what? Condition is called what? Recessive what? Recessive gene. So any gene that is failed to express itself what? In heterozygote condition, we call it what? Recessive what? Recessive gene. And then we can use this to represent what? Recessive what? Recessive gene. Small letter what? T. This is what? Recessive gene. And then we can use what? This to represent dominant what? Dominant gene. So in this case now, let me perform a little experiment here in order to explain this in what? In details. Take for instance now, assume, let me use myself as a case of study. Assume this is what? My dad. So this is my dad. And let's say this is what? My mom. Good. And see my dad here. My dad, let me use red marker for my mom. This is what? Mommy. Assume that what? My dad is purely tall. Is homozygous what? Tall. Is tall outside. Is also tall what? Inside. Is homozygous what? Tall. When my dad is homozygous tall, this is what we have in what? In his genotype. T, T. If my mom, she's what? If my mom, she's heterozygous, this is my dad. But if my mom, she is homozygous what? Tall. Assume that what? My mom, she's tall. She's very what? Short. Both in and outside. That's meaning of what? Homozygous short. We have done it. Homozygous and heterozygous. So my mom is homozygous short, small t. Both in and outside, she's what? Short. My dad is what? Homozygous what? Tall. Both in and outside, is what? Is tall. Abi? So when meiosis now occur, meiosis, what is meiosis? It's a cell division that is occur. Meiosis is a cell division that is occur in a gamete. It will split this what? This my daddy, this into two, and it splits this my mommy into what? Into two. If it split it, in my dad here, all I have, I'm having T, T. For my mom now, I'm having small t, small t. Abi, what am I trying to do here? I'm trying to what? To cross the two of them to what? Together. I want to use this cross to explain dominant and recessive. So, during the part of this course now, so please be careful. Here, this is this T. We combine with what? This one. Abi, you now have what? T and what? Small t. So, again here, this one, this same one can also combine with what? With this. What are we going to have? We will have what? This T and what? And small, this T and this small what? Small t. So again, here, again, we will take what? This with what? The second one here to have this, which is what? T and what? Small delta t. Then here, take a what? This one too, with this, we have what? This and what? And this. Check it here now. You will observe that what? During this course, what do we see? This is daddy, this is mommy. Cell division occur, this T split into this. All this thing we have what? Is a gamete. Is a what? Gamete, like sperm and what? An egg. So when this one fertilize this, we have this one. When this gamete fertilize this gamete, we have this. Then fertilize this, we have this. Abi? And all the children they have here thought that short mom, both of them are homozygous short. All the children they have what? They have here Phenotypically, what did I call it? The what? Phenotypically, or let me say phenotypic ratio. Phenotypically, the ratio of people that is tall here. This man, it will be what? Is 4:0. That is, all of them, they will what? They will tall, they are what? They are tall physically. They are all what? All tall physically. All these what? Offspring here, they are what? All these children, they are tall physically. Why? Because this capital letter T is a dominant. Is a what? A dominant. Where this one is a what? Is a recessive. So at the end of the day here, all the what? The children they have like this, they what? They will physically what? Tall. Mind you, they have short inside their what? Inside their body. But this short is a recessive because it's failed to what? To express itself in this heterozygous stage. So because it's this thing that is what? Dominant here. That's why the what? All the children here, they are what? They are tall. That if you see me now, my mom in real life, she's short. My dad in real life, she what? Is tall. So at the end of the breeding, like this now, this is what the kind of what of tallness that is what I'm possessed. So my tallness is what is not homozygous tall, it's heterozygous or tall. But because my dad gene is what is dominant over what my mom gene, make me to what to be tall. Assume if my mom gene is what is dominant, I will what I'll be short. So that is what is dominant what? Dominant gene. So dominant gene here is what? Is character letter T. Is the one that is what? Express itself as heterozygous condition. So that is the dominant and what? And a recessive gene.